Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Strava ID. So I'm starting by opening the Strava application on my device. Once that's open, I'm heading straight to the top of the screen where I can see my profile icon. I'm clicking on that to access my profile options. Now that I'm in, I'm looking over to the top right corner where the share icon is located. I'm clicking on that share icon and a menu pops up showing me different sharing options. From this menu, I'm selecting Chrome or whatever browser I'm currently using on my device. This step is important because it opens my Strava profile in the web browser instead of keeping it in the app, which is exactly what we need to access the profile URL. Once I click that, the browser opens up and loads my Strava profile page. Now I'm waiting for everything to load properly. At this point, I'm looking up at the top right corner of the browser window where I can see my profile icon again. I'm clicking on that profile icon and a drop-down menu appears with several options. From this menu, I'm clicking on my profile to navigate directly to my full profile page. This ensures I'm on the right page where the URL will contain my Strava ID. Now the page is loading, so I'm just giving it a moment to fully appear on the screen. Once everything is loaded, I'm directing my attention up to the address bar at the very top of the browser. This is where the URL is displayed. I'm clicking directly on that URL to select it. When I click it, the entire web address gets highlighted automatically. Now I'm looking for the pencil icon, which should appear near the URL once it's selected. I'm clicking on that pencil icon so I can edit or view the URL more clearly. At this point, I can now see the full URL structure laid out in front of me. I'm scanning through the address until I find the part that says athletes slash. Right after that word athletes slash, there's a series of numbers. These numbers are my unique Strava ID, and this is exactly what I came here to find. So now I'm highlighting those numbers by clicking and dragging over them carefully. Once they're fully highlighted, I'm copying them either by right-clicking and selecting copy or by using the keyboard shortcut. And that's it. I now have my Strava ID copied and ready to use wherever I need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.